Mathis Jr., Chancellor of Troy University, we proudly present the Troy University Sound of the South Marching Band. Under the field command of drum majors Jordan Dye and Indy Lomnicek, and director of band Dr. Mark Walker, and percussion professor Dr. Adam Blackstock. We're proud to have the opportunity to perform for you as we celebrate 2015, the 50th anniversary of the Sound of the South. So sit back and relax. Here's the Sound of the South!